Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2013 Chevy Silverado LT extended cab 4-wheel drive. Stock number Z8221A. Only 46,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Silverado brand new, Mocha steel metallic in color. The Silverado seat 6 with a cloth interior. Hooks in the seats for the latch system to keep child seats completely secure. Split seat bottom flips up for additional cargo space. And rear defrost for excellent visibility. Soft tonneau cover on the 6.5-foot box. Seat 71 off-road suspension package. Includes skid plates for protection. Locking tailgate. Rear parking sensors for additional safety. And heavy-duty trailering package. Bed liner for protection as well as easy cleaning. And speaking of clean, no dents or dings in the body. Silverado's obviously been very well maintained. Extended cab doors on both sides of the truck. This LT has keyless entry with a remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, integrated trailer brake control, large, easy to read gauges, again only 46,000 miles, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, automatic transmission with manual shift capability, as well as tow haul mode, shift on the fly 4-wheel drive with auto setting, radio and CD player. It's also satellite radio capable. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect mobile media devices. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. And power adjustable pedals, great for shorter drivers. Cup holders and storage in the armrest. Otherwise up and out of the way for middle passenger, with even more storage below. And dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, the Silverado has a 5.3-liter V8, 315 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 21 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Silverado, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.